Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with an unlocked camera. Mastering this camera setting can significantly enhance your gameplay, offering a strategic advantage. A locked camera keeps your character centered, but an unlocked camera gives you full control. This means you can scout ahead, check flanks, and observe team fights from a much wider perspective. It might feel a bit disorienting at first, but with a few simple adjustments, you will quickly adapt. The advantages of using an unlocked camera are numerous and impactful. You gain superior map awareness, allowing you to see approaching enemies or ongoing skirmishes far beyond your immediate character. This enhanced vision helps you anticipate enemy movements and react more quickly to threats. Furthermore, it significantly improves your ability to land crucial skill shots and execute complex maneuvers, giving you a competitive edge in many games. To master unlocked camera control, start by adjusting your camera sensitivity to a comfortable level. A setting around 50% is often a good starting point. Utilize the spacebar or a similar hotkey to quickly recenter your camera on your character when needed. Practice moving your camera independently of your character's movement, constantly scanning the map. Remember to keep your character generally in the middle of your screen, but not rigidly fixed there. Consistent practice is key to truly mastering the unlocked camera. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to playing with this setting, even in casual matches. Experiment with different camera speeds to find your optimal setting, perhaps starting with a medium speed and adjusting from there. Learn to quickly snap your camera to important areas of the map, like objectives or team fights. Observing professional players can also provide valuable insights into advanced camera usage techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.